Boutique Asia. Mga condiments.
Somebody made this one before. You had this one before, Mara?
The other one is not the best. I don't think the best either. It's only like the yummiest one.
The yummiest one. Yeah. So we're looking for the yummiest.
Ayoko. Kain na lang.
Yan guys, bibili kami ng gamit ng sasakyan. Kaya nandito kami sa Auto Barn.
Talaga ano rin. Sa exterior.
And guys, nakabili na kami ng gamit. This is our car.
Turn right into the parking lot. Then Woolworths rain trees will be
Yan ang
on the
nagiging
left.
anak ko.
Here?
Yeah.
Kuha ka dalawa na. Anak, isa lang. Hindi mo pwede isupot lahat yan. Kids lang eh. Yan guys. Ito yung paborito nating orange dot. Ito kasi isa nila. Pero masarap din naman. Pero mas bet ko to.
Hala.
Eh pala trade din. Hindi, ang ganda naman kasi pwede talagang...
No, don't do that.
Ano ito yun?
Yung squid. Ito yung...
Yeah, gusto ko. Ah, ano ba kaya?
Go already there.
Okay, hi everyone. So, tapos na yung first leg ng klase natin. And, PE teacher tayo for today. Grabe, ang init. Namawis ako ron. So, that's it guys. And, I'll update you guys later. Alligator. Going love.
We're going.
We're going to the bank and to the mall. Because
Yeah,
today is
we're
Daddy's
birthday.
birthday.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yellow na. Oh,
Ayan guys, tapos na kami pumunta sa bangko. Ayan guys, so lilipat na kami ng mall. Kasi dito lang yung may branch ng bangko. Kaya lilipat na kami ng mall. Kasi yung agenda natin na pangalawa, wala dito, nasa ibang mall siya. So, ano ba yung buhok ko? Kumusta naman?
Gilas pagka blind spot eh. Nabibigyan ako ng
Gilas. Taas.
kanan.
Donuts. Hi! Demi,
Wala na ako sa mga ganyan.
what's our next surprise for Daddy? We're done with the bank. What's next? We're going to buy... What?
Nothing.
Nothing. We're here now. We're gonna go on the red one though. Red store. You see the red store? We're gonna buy Daddy a phone.
Surprise, we're gonna buy a new phone.
No.
To you.
So maybe we can next company you will get. So it's a $50 you will get. 30 GB.
Ayan. So Dad have his new phone.
Yeah.
And what's our
Daddy
next
wants
plan?
the old. So happy.
Yeah. Why you surprise me? I'm gonna give you a hug and kiss.
Because you deserve it. Because today is your
Birthday. Because I
birthday.
know your phone's very old. That's why.
And now we're going to buy...
A new phone.
No, okay. We're ready.
Again? 2 times?
Look, the same color.
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Martin Street. Continue.
Ang cute. The sideboard.
It's like a red.
Binibigyan mo.
Ow! Come on.
Thank you.
Where's the other one?
Ay, oo nga no. Okay. Let us sing.
Wait lang. Matatapos na yun. Matatapos na yun.
I'm Dad. I'm very excited.
Wow.
Baba mo.
Parang mukhang heavy duty ah.
Yes.
Kaya yung gantay ka ng...
Hmm.